Imagine you're facing a deadline. Your team's app is live, customers are signing up, and your manager asks, where should all this data go in Azure? SQL, NoSQL, or analytics? What happens when tomorrow's report needs clean answers from messy transactions and logs? How do you choose the right data service without overpaying or overbuilding? Let me introduce you to a course where you will learn how to tackle those real-world scenarios. Hello, I'm Milan Niska, a Microsoft technical trainer specializing in cybersecurity and cloud infrastructure architecture. I'm here to take you through Microsoft Azure Data fundamentals and give you a tour on what you can expect during the course. This course is one of my personal favorite ways to learn about data in a way that can naturally evolve into role certifications. The beginner course introduces you to foundational core data concepts and how they relate to Microsoft Azure Data Services. It covers things like the relational and non-relational data, different types of data workloads like transactional and analytical, and key Azure Data Services used for storage, analytics, and visualization. By the end of this course, you will learn how to understand and talk about core data concepts, recognize when to use relational versus non-relational data, and identify the right type of data workload, transactional or analytical on Azure. You'll walk away able to make sense of common Azure data services and confidently explain how data is stored, processed, and used to support real business scenarios. This course includes a lab that allows you to explore Azure Data Services hands-on, practice working with relational and non-relational data, and connect core concepts to real Azure scenarios. So ideas don't just stay theoretical, they start to feel real. This course is perfect for those who have a working knowledge on basic computing concepts and a general interest on how data is stored, processed, and used in the cloud. No prior Azure or deep data experience is required. Completing this course will provide you with a solid foundation for understanding what to focus on for the Microsoft Certified Azure Data Fundamentals. However, it also requires experience and practice to put those skills into action before you're truly well prepared. If you're looking to enhance your skills in Azure Data Fundamentals or are prepping for a certification exam, this is the perfect course for you. So what is in it for you? Why should you take this course out of all the others out there? This course gives you a clear, practical understanding on how data works in Azure without assuming a deep technical background, so you can confidently talk about data with teammates and stakeholders. You'll learn how to recognize different types and workloads and understand when to use relational versus non-relational approaches, and see how common Azure data services fit into real scenarios. By the end, you'll have a strong foundation to support better decisions, collaborate more effectively on data-driven projects, and take confident next steps towards working with data in the cloud. You can take this course using our self-paced training materials or join online for an instructor-led session taught by Microsoft trainers like me. Our instructor-led training is designed to suit all learning styles. Whether you prefer listening, visual engagement, or hands-on experience, we got you covered. Microsoft trainers deliver classes using PowerPoint, demonstrations, and whiteboards, while incorporating real-world experience into the classroom. You'll have a lot of opportunities to engage and ask questions, ensuring a comprehensive and interactive learning experience. Let's sum up now. DP-900's Introduction to Microsoft Azure Data is a great way to build a clear, practical understanding of how data works in Azure, so you can quickly recognize the right data approach, speak the same language as your technical teams, and avoid wasting time guessing or relearning fundamentals, helping you get time back on your day. You're the most valuable resource in our organization. Let's make the best use of your day. Ready to enroll? Check out the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.